This is Moft, the lightest adhesive laptop stand around, tailored perfectly for mobile working. It's practically invisible, but still comforts your neck and shoulders anywhere you work. The Moft stand is as light as a pen and thin as a coin. Simply fold it when you need and unfold it when you're on the go. No need to carry around anything extra in your bag. With 2 elevation adjustments, Moft optimizes your sitting posture, reducing neck pain and soothing your wrist when typing. Take discomfort completely out of your work. The unique material and triangular structure makes it capable of holding up to 18 pounds. The removable plastic means it's detachable and reattachable to your computer, giving it zero chance to fall off and leaving no residue on the surface. Typing on Moft feels like using a metal stand, undisturbed, laser-focused on what you need to do. Adaptable to a wide variety of environments, fitting all types of MacBooks and colors. This is Moft, an invisible yet reliable stand for your ergonomic comfort. Moft.
Vision. It's what drives innovation. Our vision. A portable charger that lasts 1 week on a 1-hour charge, delivering 100 watts from a single output, with 2 USB-C ports to charge 2 laptops at the same time, pass-through charging for seamless power delivery, massive charge capacity, and broad compatibility, including an intelligent charging algorithm for wearable devices, empowering your commute, your meetings, your creativity, and your productivity. This is our vision. SuperTank by Zenduro.
It limits your productivity, counters exercise, and reduces your life expectancy. And you're probably doing it right now. Sitting for most of the day may seem like a necessity, but not anymore. Hi, my name is Stephen Yu, and I set out to find a solution. This is StandDesk, the most affordable yet sophisticated sit-to-stand desk of its kind. So back in college, I got into a really bad motorcycle accident. And even after physical therapy, sitting for long periods of time was just really painful for my back. I was tired of taking pain medications that just made me feel drugged all the time and not myself. So I asked my doctor if there were any natural solutions for my back pain. He told me to stand more, but when you're working at an office, standing more is usually not an option. I did some research and I found these sit-to-stand desks, and I really wanted to buy one. But the problem was I couldn't find anything that was affordable and more importantly automatic. So I decided to build it myself. So what makes us different is when we designed the desk, we figured out how to use only 1/3 the parts that traditional sit-to-stand desks use, which enabled us to dramatically decrease the cost of our desk. We've used recycled materials to create a sturdy, eco-friendly desk, like steel frames and bamboo tops. Despite being super lightweight and easy to assemble, the desk can hold up to 225 pounds in a sitting or standing position. Unlike most other desks, our desk doesn't require a middle stabilizing bar, so you can have much more leg room and the ability to add drawers.
I love this desk. It's great. I mean, I think the best part is that it gives you options throughout the day to really switch up your work schedule. It's extremely simple. I mean, the best part is you can easily press a button and you don't even have to hold it. It just goes up to your liking. You press the stop button and it stops. And it's incredibly, incredibly easy.
At NASA, through my research, we found something of enormous importance. Simply standing periodically throughout the day is healthier than walking or even once a day exercise in the gym.
Standing desks are nothing new. Leonardo da Vinci, Ben Franklin, Winston Churchill, and even Ernest Hemingway used them. And it makes sense because today, standing desks have been proven to increase your productivity by 10%.
Since we got the stand desks, it's amazing the enthusiasm that people have to stay at the office. I'm finding that we're getting work done more efficiently. Afternoons, you don't see as many people sort of dozing off at their desks. So it's been very helpful, I think, in terms of the productivity of our staff.
We've been working on this project for over a year, and I'm proud to say that we're finally ready for our first major production. But we need your help to make StanDesk a reality.
We have a really serious health problem in the United States today. Simple tools, like the StanDesk, can help get Americans healthy again.
You may not have time for diet or exercise, but you'll always have time to stand.
I could barely breathe.
We had to leave.
Nobody had time to react.
These stories, these images, becoming all too familiar. And it's time we prepare. Introducing the Rhino Ready Companion, the world's best two-person, 72-hour emergency survival system. Stocked with over 40 life-saving products, the Rhino Ready Companion is built to withstand anything that comes your way, big or small, giving you unparalleled access, versatility, and organization when it matters most. For the last decades, when you think of preparedness, pretty much this, leaving you vulnerable and unprepared. And that's exactly why we started Rhino Ready. Because you shouldn't have to compromise on quality, especially when your safety and the safety of those you love are at stake. So regardless of your climate or geo, we've got you covered when adversity strikes. The Companion features the toughest waterproof and fire-resistant materials, a rigid exoskeleton, and military-grade Hypalon attachment points, giving you ultimate carrying capacity. Now, let's take a look inside. Stay connected with our 3-in-1 phone charger, radio, and flashlight, powered by crank or solar. Breathe easy with our N95 masks, along with heat-reflective UV guard goggles to keep your vision sharp. With a sturdy multi-tool and 550 paracord at the ready, along with our full tang blade and fire starter, you will be well equipped. Stay hydrated with these 3 options: tablets, sachets, and boiling. When things get tough, our kit has you covered. And if you ever need additional assistance, we are here to help with the most compact, comprehensive survival guide out there. When things get a bit colder, stay warm with 3 layers of protection, 2 pairs of winterized work gloves, and 4 hand warmers. And when the lights go out, you're powered on with a flashlight, headlamp, glow sticks, and stormproof matches. If you get hungry, our Daytrex US Coast Guard approved food rations are non-GMO and nut-free. The Rhino Ready Companion Survival System uses unmatched quality with an ultra-compact design to fit seamlessly into your daily life, ready at a moment's notice. So, whether it's in your car, home, or office, bring us along for the journey. Our products and manufacturing partners are ready to go.
So we are calling on you to join our backer community, because together we are built to go the distance. Live prepared. Live Rhino Ready.